morning, Amber. This is Byron. I want to start off by sharing this video with you about this 2005 Toyota Tundra that we have in immaculate condition. There are no lights on the dash, the radio, all the buttons are there, no damages, no blemishes. The console, the entire car is clean, original carpets after almost 11 years, no cracks on the dashboard. The seats are in great condition. I mean, this is an amazing vehicle that I wanted you to see personally, the condition of it. There's actually a button right here for the window that goes down. I'm getting out, I'm in the rain because I want you to see how great this vehicle is. Very few scratches and blemishes on it. Can't wait to show it to you. Chrome mirrors, Bridgestone tires in excellent shape with the running boards. Even the bed liner is in great shape. This truck, this is an amazing truck, excellent condition, with mud flaps and all. I look forward to giving you a response on it.
How's your experience today at Round Rock Toyota?
It was very smooth. It was great. We had a good time.
You guys had the best selection and you had the Prius we were looking for.
Everything was streamlined, simple, listened to what I wanted, and found the perfect car for me.
I'm impressed with the friendliness of all the people here.
Hey, are you going to refer all your friends and family to Round Rock Toyota?
Absolutely.
Well, we appreciate